Ah, no, fui yo, pues la presentante.
So far, it just looks like some common yard sale stuff.
$1 each. $1 cada uno. $2. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day, ladies. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Your collection.
Oh, is that what he took in this?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Absolutely beautiful.
Thank you.
You hold this next to me one night. I just put it like right here for me. Okay.
Somebody loves some Elvis. We'll get around here. Somebody loves some Elvis. Coca-Cola, Elvis. Being a kid in the 50s. Oh, that's for $1. See if there's anything in here that's old. 2003, 2004, 1998. These up. $1. Eat more chicken. Done. 2012. It's Matchbox. Hot Wheels doesn't say what year. Unless I missed. Yeah. Get back on through one more time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me how kooky this garage sale is. Here we go. Gotta do it for Dale. Dale will do it for us. How you doing this morning?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. There's the pogs. Oh, boink.
All different kinds in here.
Right?
How much are the rings? 5.
Thank you.
Dodgers no hitters. Koufax, Sager, Venezuela. Yeah, that sounds good. All right, so I've got a $2.50 and a $1.
All right. You want a little bag for him?
Sure. 1, 2, 3.
You know what? This is not $2.50. It's $1.
Oh, okay.
So you
All
want
right,
$2.
cool. Awesome, even better. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You can pay $2.50 if you want to.
But you'll take $2. There you go. There you go. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
No problem.
Hope you have a great morning, okay?
You too, thanks.
Went through. We're going to take that pen, turn that into $5 gold, and to eat more chicken. That's going to get me a meal.